Good day, everyone. Hello, grade 4. I am Teacher Mylene and welcome to our math class. In today's virtual instruction, we will be covering Quarter 1, Week 1.2, Points to Remember with the topic, Place Value of a Digit in Numbers up to 100,000. To start with, let us discuss the points to remember in giving the place value and value of a digit in numbers up to 100,000. So identify the place value in which the digit belongs to as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. So starting from right to left, we can give the place value of a digit in numbers. You can understand this as we go further with the discussion. The value of a digit could be arrived at by multiplying the said digit by its place value. This means that if a digit holds the ones place value, multiply it by 1 to get its value. If its place value is tens, multiply it by 10. Same with the hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. The place value of a digit is always 10 times as great as the place value and value of each digit. Always remember that as we shift to the left, the place value of a digit increases 10 times and decreases by 10 times as we shift to the right. Let us now have an example. 64,395. Let us study the place value chart. The order of place value of digits in number from right to left is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. In the given example, 5 is in ones place, 9 in tens place, 3 in hundreds place, 4 in thousands place, and 6 in 10,000s place. How do we get the value of each digit in the given number? So we can do this by multiplying the said digit by its place value. So we have, for the digit in the ones place, which is 5, we multiply it by 1. So its value is 5. For the digit in the tens place, we multiply it by 10. So the value is 90. For the digit in the hundreds place, multiply it by 100 and its value is 300. For the digit in the thousands place, multiply it by 1,000. So its value is 4,000. And for the digit in the 10,000s place, multiply it by 10,000. So its value is 60,000. Let us now have another example. 12,743. Always remember that we start from right to left in identifying the place value of digits in a number. So the first digit from the right is 3. So 3 is in ones place, 4 tens place, 7 hundreds place, 2 thousands place, and 1 10,000s place. Again, we multiply the digits of a number by its place value to get its value. So we have, for the digit in the ones place, 3 times 1, the value is 3. For the tens place, 4 times 10, the value is 40. For the hundreds place, 7 times 100, the value is 700. For the digit in the thousands place, 2 times 1,000, the value is 2,000. And for the digit in the 10,000s place, 1 times 10,000, the value is 10,000. That will be all for the points to remember for the lesson, place value of a digit in numbers up to 100,000. I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you and see you for the next virtual instruction.